Today we're going to take a look at parallel lines and traversals and the key terms that go along with it. So parallel lines. Parallel lines are two lines in the same plane and they never touch each other. Just kind of like railroad tracks to keep a train running. Now, to say that these are parallel lines, we have these little like arrow marks that go on the line in the middle of it to say these are parallel. Parallel planes are similar. We have two planes of existence. They never touch. One's on the first floor, one's on the second floor. Don't care what's happening up here, don't care what's happening down here. They're two separate things, but they will never intersect with each other. Skew lines are putting lines on those different parallel planes that from one point of view may appear like they may intersect, but when you're looking at them from floor to floor, it doesn't matter because they're on different floors. It's like seeing two airplanes up above. Looks like they might crash, but really they're at different altitudes, so they're never going to hit each other. Moving on, next diagram, we have something called a transversal. A transversal is a line that cuts through two other lines. A line that cuts through two or more other lines. When we have a transversal, it creates a few other types of angles that we can kind of describe going on. So we have something called interior angles and something called exterior angles. Angles that are on the inside, angles that are on the outside. Now, my inside angles in this case, we're looking at those four: 3, 4, 5, and 6. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. My outside angles are going to be those angles that are 1 and 2 on the far, on the left, and then 7 and 8 on the right. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. Consecutive interior. Interior means inside. Consecutive, we're going to have something that's two numbers that run kind of like next to or in order along the transversal. So what numbers are on the inside that run along the transversal? 3 and 6 is one set, and 4 and 5 is another set. So we can say angle 3 and angle 6, and then also angle 4 and angle 5. Alternate interior, alternate exterior. Alternating, kind of switching spots. Switching our spots on the inside, switching our spots on the outside. So starting with alternating interior. I'm looking at, again, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What's on the inside but alternating? 3 and 5. And then also angles 4 and 6. They're both on the inside, but one's on one side of the transversal, one's on the other side. Angle 4 and angle 6. Same thing goes with exterior. We're looking at my outside and my outside. Outside up, outside down. So we can say angle 2 and angle 8. And then outside down, outside up. Angle 1 and angle 7. And last, we have something called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are something that's just in the similar spots. So we have 4 different pairs. What's in a similar spot to angle 1? Angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 2, angle 6. Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 3 and 7. And then leaving us 4 and 8. So angles that are in similar spots. And that is the key terms that go along with parallel lines and transversals.